So Uxarha SA is threatened by a lot of beef and distracts. Like there is like a lot of smoke like surrounding him. And also, first of all, so Uxarha posted something on Facebook. He was apologizing to Tall Ricky Netru yakhe, which is Ungosi Amandebele when I think about it true Tall Ricky or Tall Ricky ne friends zakhe, I could say. So he says like he said something about them kwi-podcast ethile about the song ethi Chomi, and then like itruka Tall Ricky zange ithande lo way ayithethile about le ngoma ithi Chomi, and he says like zayengayazi noba ikabani lala ngoma, and now uyimamele and he fucks with the song. So he's apologizing to these guys because he thinks like Zamdisa or they have like some kind of, I don't know, they don't like him or something. Nami, they had some kind of beef against him, like Nami. So yeah, first he apologizes on that, and secondly, he has mentioned on Big Zulu posted something, and somebody suggests about Big Zulu makadise uXarha. Uxarha umentioniwe phaa uba Big Zulu makadise uXarha. Big Zulu posted away, ushare away i-picture, i-screenshot, sala comment. So hey, that is something. He posted on Big Zulu like uqobo lwakhe, so Big Zulu knows about uXarha obviously. So that's something big for uXarha, and uXarha naye he's like making jokes on this issue. He's commenting uba be ready for i-distract kaBig Zulu and uBig Zulu umoyikile and all that stuff. But abanye abantu bathi bayangenelela nabo la way, bakwazi kwathi bayathetha kuyo le, bayithatha serious, bakwazi kwathi uXarha uzawucishwa nguBig Zulu, into ezinjalo. Sintsho like bayanqanda or bayithathela phezulu le way bayikuse, sebenombona wayisenzeka la way, so which is like kind of crazy. And another thing is that like there is a guy who did a diss track for uXarha called Lloyd Ness. This is the third person now. First got Tall Ricky, then secondly ulanduka uBig Zulu posted le way uba umntu uyasuggest uba makadise noXarha, and then thirdly ulanduka uLloyd Ness, naye ukhuphe i-diss track iphumile ke kaLloyd Ness, leyo Tall Ricky neBig Zulu i-suggestion nje like isismoke nje kubona salanduko sezintsasa like kubona ekabi akhutshwa diss track, and then like uLloyd Ness ukhuphe i-diss track, then budisa uXarha, but animamelanga laa diss track though. But like abantu bathi uXarha makaphendule, and uXarha akakho sure noba uzawuphendula na okanye angaphenduli. Usabuza ebantwini uba aphendule okanye angaphenduli na, abantu bayamcenga uba phendula Tyhusi, phendula Tyhusi, akakho sure. So maybe uXarha azophendula kuLloyd Ness, maybe akazuphendula, uthi uyi-downgrade, we don't know. So yeah, uXarha is caught up in a lot of smoke, like Tall Ricky are popping, and then like he has a beef nabo, and that could be something big. Like Big Zulu, I don't know. Like Lloyd Ness, I think i-downgrade, I think makangayihoyi, but ke we don't know. We'll see ngaye xa isenza ke, but I think like if uXarha serious ngokwenza ngoni uba ne-beef makadise uTall Ricky. I'm just saying, that's my opinion. I'm just like, that would be interesting, you know what I mean? Makadise uTall Ricky like if ufuna ismoke, makadise uTall Ricky. But yo, because there's a lot of beef surrounding him. Is he the one attracting, like even Lloyd Ness since last year September, uLloyd Ness okuzayibhala le diss track, so andiyazi noba uyikhuphe nini na. But I'm just saying, Lloyd Ness asimazi. If ufuna ismoke uXarha makadise uTall Ricky. Like Big Zulu, I don't know, maybe angadisa noBig Zulu ke, and then we'll see. Yeah. like, comment, subscribe.